What is digital twin technology? Imagine having a perfect virtual replica of a physical object, system, or process. One that mirrors everything happening in the real world in real time. That is the concept behind digital twin technology. A digital twin is a dynamic virtual model of a physical entity. It is connected to its real-world counterpart through sensors and data feeds. As the physical object changes, the digital twin updates to reflect those changes. Digital twins are used across many industries. In manufacturing, a digital twin of a production line allows engineers to simulate changes, identify inefficiencies, and predict failures before they happen in the real world. In construction and infrastructure, digital twins of buildings and bridges help teams monitor structural health and plan maintenance. In healthcare, digital twins of organs or even individual patients are being developed to simulate how a body might respond to a treatment. In smart cities, digital twins of entire urban environments help planners optimize traffic, energy use, and emergency response. The value of digital twins lies in the ability to test, optimize, and predict in a virtual environment without risk or cost to the real system. Engineers can simulate a failure, try 1,000 configurations, or model the impact of a design change, all without touching the physical asset. The technology relies on IoT sensors, cloud computing, AI, and data integration platforms working together. Digital twin adoption is growing rapidly across aerospace, automotive, energy, logistics, and urban planning sectors. For engineers, architects, data professionals, and IoT specialists, digital twin technology is an increasingly important area of expertise. The organizations building these capabilities now are gaining significant competitive advantages.